Morning students, let's be talking about next module of animal kingdom. Now we discuss about the porifera and coelenterata. Now here we talking about some example of porifera. The first example is cycon. Here we observe a big opening at the top. This opening is called osculum, and we are observing pores also on the body, and these pores are called ostria. Another picture of cycon, vase-like structure. One more picture of cycon. So these are the different pictures of cycon. This is label diagram of cycon. Label diagram, osculum, ostria, bud, which is part of the asexual production, branches, and specific type of canal. This canal is called spongiocele or cavity. Along with the cycon, some more examples. This is porous body animal, Euspongia. This is Euplectella, look like a cycon, but it is not cycon. Vase-like structure. And this is Spongilla, porous body. Now some examples of coelenterata. Very popular animal. I think everybody know what is this. This is Hydra. Second very popular animal of this group is, everybody know I think, this is jellyfish. And one more animal look likes a hydra, but it is not hydra. It is complicated than hydra, multicellular. This is sea anemone. One more picture of sea anemone having lots of tentacles. Now let's start Ctenophora. These are some pictures of Ctenophora animals. Some examples are Plurobranchia, Ctenoplana, Hormifora. These are some example of Ctenophora group. Now let's be talking about the features. These are generally marine animal or marine animal, salty water animals. These are radial symmetrical, means body can be cut into two equal parts through many planes. These are diploblastic, means only two germ layers are present, ectoderm and endoderm, and in between these derms a specific layer of jelly-like structure present, which is called mesogilia. And this mesogilia having amoebocytes and smooth muscles fiber cells. Next one is these have tissue level of organization. Let's be talking about the picture of Ctenophora, and through the picture we understand the different parts of the body. The first is tentacles. One pair of tentacles and two tentacles are present on the body. These tentacles having specific cells, these cells are called lasso cells, and these lasso cells are adhesive or sticky in nature. Next, comb plates. All over the body 8 comb plates are present on the surface, and these comb plates help in the movement of the body. Now opening of alimentary canal, this is called mouth. Mouth opens into pharynx. Now pharynx open into stomach, and finally stomach opens into anus pore. So this is a complete alimentary canal. Next picture shows a very bright picture of Ctenophora because they can produce light and emit light. That's why they are also considered bioluminescence phenomena. Means living organism, those can produce light, emit light. Just like a firefly, they also can produce light. Next one, locomotion is by slurry movement of 8 vertical arranged comb plate. So they are called comb jelly, or they are also known as sea walnut. These generally having one pair of long solid tentacles which have specific adhesive cells called coloblast or lasso cells. These are acylomate, means body cavity is absent. These having complete alimentary canal from mouth to anus. Digestion is partially intercellular and partially intracellular. within the cell or outside of the cell. Some portion of the digestion takes place within the cell and some outside of the cells or between the cells. Respiration excretion is very simple through the body surface. They are aminotalic, means they release waste material in form of the ammonia. They are bioluminescent, so they can produce light. Asexual reproduction is absent, and these are bisexual. Bisexual means male and female both parts present in same one animal, and this is also called hermaphrodite. Fertilization is external, outside of the body, and development is indirect, means with larvae stage. If development with larvae stage, this type of development is called indirect development. Now next group is Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes, these are some examples. What is this? This is tapeworm. This is very famous and we discussed in 10th class also. This is planaria. Guess what is this? This is liver fluke. So Platyhelminthes are flatworms. Let's be talking about the features. Platy means flat, helminthes means worm, so they are flatworm, body is flat. Habitat is mostly parasites, they depend on the living organism, other living organism and suck the nutrition from them. So digestive system is not very much complicated. And very few are living, free living and mostly in water, fresh water or sea water. Level of organization is organ system level of organization comparatively complicated than Ctenophora. Bilateral symmetrical means through only one plane body can be cut into two equal parts, and body is dorsiventral flat. That's why they are called flatworms. Three germ layers are present: ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. Cavity is absent, so they are called acoelomate. Mouth is not first part of the alimentary canal, so oral opening direct into pharynx. Pharynx is the first opening of alimentary canal, and digestive system is incomplete or absent because they are parasites, so they are taking simple easy food from the host. Stomach also not true stomach, and pharynx opens into complex intestinal structure, again the feature related to parasite. Tapeworm direct absorb of soluble nutrients by cell and tissues. Excretory system, protonephridia is a main part of the excretory system, and these protonephridia having very specific cell, flame cell. Very important question in terms of competitive exam. Respiration very simple by diffusion, simple diffusion through the body surfaces. Circulatory system is absent. Asexual reproduction by regeneration and fission. Sexual reproduction is by gamete fusion, fusion of gamete. In hermaphrodites, hermaphrodite means bisexual having male and female both part in a single animal. And fertilization is inside the body, internal fertilization. They are parasite. This is very common feature of Platyhelminthes, and they depend on the host. Maybe host sometime one or more than one host.